So in the first video of this module, we looked at the add portion of the combine tool. Now we're going to look at the subtraction tools. We've got a simplified model of our power strip here. We've got a few things suppressed to simplify things. And we're going to come in the first thing and create a new plane. Base it off the bottom face, but we actually want it running right down the middle, and right down the middle of this cylindrical shape. So we're going to come in to the view pull down and turn on our temporary axes. We're going to come in and pick on the temporary axis that runs right down that circular boss. We don't want it to be perpendicular, but parallel to the original face that we selected. So we say OK there. Once we've got that done, we can turn the visibility of those temporary axes back off. Select on the plane and start a sketch. And we're going to come in and draw a rectangle. It's a little bit bigger than the part. Come in and extrude. Do a mid-plane extrusion. And just like the rectangle, we're not really concerned about the size and shape, just more how this tool is going to work. Okay? So the main thing here is we don't want to merge the results. And we're going to create a simplified mold of this model. We're going to subtract the original power strip from this block. Part of the power strip tool is going to be in the top half of this part and part in the bottom. So we need to make a couple copies of our bodies. When we actually subtract things, it actually gets removed from the bodies list. So if we say insert, features, move or copy, we're actually going to make a copy of the power strip. Say OK. And it's OK that it's not moving. We want it right on top of the original location. So we'll actually subtract this copy from our rectangular block. So if we say insert, features, combine, but actually use the subtract side of things, here's our main body, that's our rectangular block. And the body to combine, we can't really select the bodies from the screen because they're kind of covered up, but we can very easily come down to the solid bodies folder and choose it there. If we come in and take the original body, go to the appearance, make it a little bit different color so we can see it better, we can look at a section view. See that power strip embedded inside there. Well, we need to split the top into two pieces now to represent the mold. We can do that fairly easily. We can say insert, features, split. Our trimming tools, that's going to be that plane that we just created. Our target bodies is this outer body, the boss extrude. We'll do the combine one. Cut that in half. There's our top and our bottom if you want to click it as well. Now we've got a little section line there. We'll do this in a little bit more detail later, but we can come in and create a new exploded view. So this is going to let me just come in and drag this up and this guy down so we can see the subtraction on the top and bottom. So it's making an A and a B mold for us. So it's just a nice little tool with the subtraction of one body from another.